I just want to share my inspirational quotes. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can by Arthur Ashe. This quote reminds me that don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, use what you have and do your best. Every small step leads you closer to your goal, but make it slowly because life is a journey, not a race. Enjoy every moment and learn from every experience. Life is full of experience that shape who we are. Hello everyone, I am Arlene Polidos Gora. I am 19 years old. I live in Barangay Batamatalam. Today, I want to share my story from childhood, school life, challenges, and dreams. Family is my greatest treasure. I have my loving parents, siblings, and relatives who support me in everything I do. They taught me that important values, the unconditional love, patience, and perseverance. No matter where life takes me, I will always cherish them. When I was a child, I loved playing outdoor games with my friends. Some of my favorites are Tombang Lata and Bahay Bahayan. Those moments made my childhood fun and memorable. I was so excited to start my first day of school. For wearing my uniform and carrying my bag felt like an adventure. One of the most unforgettable moments in my childhood. I remember waking up early, but I was so nervous and scared because I didn't know everyone. High school life is one of the most memorable chapters in a student journey. It is where we experience a mix of happiness, challenges, and unforgettable moments that help shape who we are. Now that I look back, I will always treasure my high school life. Senior high school life is a new and challenging chapter as a student. It is where we start to prepare for our future, whether it's going to college or finding a job. My senior high school was a mix of excitement, pressure, and unforgettable experiences. College life is one of the most exciting and challenging stages of a student journey. But when I discovered about college life, it's felt very difficult. You don't know what would happen in the future. There were times when I felt tired and wanted to give up, but I realized that I am just starting my journey. That's why this moment taught me to be strong, become more responsible, independent woman, and ready to face the challenges of the future. In school, I started to meet many amazing friends, and I am very thankful to God because He gave me a new friends in my life that will always be my side, and we're full of laughing, joking, bonding, and enjoying together that I was never forget the moment. Friends is one of the comfort zone to sharing about life experience, but you should choose a friend that you have to understand what you feel and know about how to keep a secret. Classmates is important role in our lives. They become our friends, support system, and companions in every challenge. Every different classmates I encountered, they left a memories and taught me lessons that help us grow and shape who we are today. When I was graduated my high school days, I am honor student. I am very thankful that I experienced to receive academic awards. Cooking became one of my hobbies because I love preparing food for my family. Every time I cook, I feel proud knowing that I can make something. Since my elementary days up to now in college, I have been an athlete. I play athletics, especially track and field. When I was young, I've always dreamed of becoming a nurse. Then our financially is not stable to pursue my dream. Now, I decided to take a program, which is the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. Life is a journey full of challenges, lessons, and beautiful moments. Along the way, we will face struggles, failures, and hardship, but these are what will make us stronger and wiser. We should also value the people around us, our family, friends, and everyone who support us. Life is short, so we should live it with purpose, kindness, and gratitude. Thanks for watching.